Embark on a journey to Bohol, where nature's wonders await to mesmerize your senses and rejuvenate your soul. First stop, the iconic Chocolate Hills, a geological marvel of over 1,200 perfectly shaped mounds turning cocoa brown in the dry season. Next, plunge into the crystal-clear waters of Panglao Island, a haven for divers and beach lovers seeking pristine marine biodiversity. Witness the tarsiers in their natural habitat. These tiny primates with their large, soulful eyes are a sight to behold. Drift down the Lobok River on a floating restaurant, enjoying local cuisines to the sound of running water and live music. Explore the ancient Baclayan Church. Bohol is not just a destination, it's an experience that connects you with the heart of nature, culture, and history.